Hello everyone. Welcome to Revert Hair Clinic Dehradun YouTube channel. I am Dr. Amit Singh. I am the owner of Revert Hair Clinic. I am based in Dehradun and I have been doing hair transplants since the last 8 years. In today's video, I am going to discuss about the things you should look in any clinic before you decide for your hair transplant. To start with, hair transplant is a minor surgical procedure. So the first and the foremost thing before finalizing your hair transplant is the safety of the procedure. And to confirm the safety of your hair transplant, the most important factor is the doctor. The doctor should be a qualified doctor. He should be a surgeon, or he may be a dermatologist, a skin specialist. Only these two specialists are eligible to perform hair transplant in India. Most of the clinics in India where hair transplant is being performed are run by technicians and unqualified persons. Most of the clinic don't have a qualified doctor even. All the procedures starting from the consultancy to the hair transplant itself are performed by unqualified persons. If you are getting your hair transplant done at these type of clinics, that may turn risky. So you should avoid these types of clinics at any cost. So the doctor part is the most important thing you should look for before finalizing your hair transplant. The second factor is the staff who will be assisting the doctor during the procedure. He should be an experienced staff, and those staff should be permanent as well. Most of the clinics they usually call they outsource their staff. They call different people during the procedures, so the results will not be uniform. So the staff part is also a very important thing you should clarify before finalizing your procedure. To perform your hair transplant safely, that clinic should have a well-equipped hair operation theater. By well-equipped, I mean to say that that operation theater, besides having the basic hair transplant equipments, all the instruments should be properly sterilized. They should have the proper sterilization procedure of the operation theater, and also that operation theater should have all the emergency drugs and all the emergency equipments which may be required in case of an emergency. You should make sure that these things are in that operation theaters before you finalize your procedure. Now the final part, which is very important before you finalize, is the technique the clinic might be using in hair transplant. In our clinic, Revert Hair Transplant Center, we use a technique that is called feather touch technique. Feather touch is presently the most advanced technique by which hair transplant is being performed worldwide. It is a modification of the DHI technique, which is the commonly used term. DHI stands for direct root implantation. In this technique, we use special instruments which are called implanters to implant the roots directly in the skin. We don't have to hold the roots by forceps while implanting, so the manipulation and the damage of the roots is minimum in this technique. So the survival of the roots increases by feather touch. The out of body time by feather touch is minimum, so indirectly the root survival increases. We are the only center in Dehradun which uses feather touch. You can discuss your hair loss, and if you are a candidate for a hair transplant, you can plan a visit to our clinic, get your examination done. All the hair examinations are personally done by me only. We can discuss about the number of hair that is required to cover your area, what will be the approximate fee. We are very flexible in both these regards, the number of hair as well as the fee. We don't charge per graft or hair. We usually cover the area in a fixed amount that proves to be economical in every way. So I think the information which I have provided today, that will be helpful in your decision to proceed for your hair transplant. You can subscribe to our channel if you want further information regarding the hair transplant procedures and other hair loss treatments, or you also send any inquiry through our WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number we have displayed in this video. This is Dr. Amit Singh signing off.